Welcome back to Tech Talk. Today we're diving into the GPD WIN 4 2025, a compact handheld PC that combines portability, power, and smart design. Let's break down everything you need to know. The GPD WIN 4 2025 features a 6-inch Full HD touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. It delivers sharp visuals at 368 pixels per inch and includes DC dimming technology to reduce flicker and improve eye comfort. It retains the signature slider design, revealing a built-in QWERTY keyboard that makes typing easier on the go. Despite its power, the device is lightweight and compact at just 598 grams, measuring around 8.6 by 3.6 by 1.1 inches. The GPD WIN 4 2025 comes in two powerful configurations. You can choose the AMD Ryzen 7 8840U with a boost clock of up to 5.1 GHz and Radeon 780M graphics, or step up to the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370, also boosting up to 5.1 GHz, paired with a more powerful Radeon 890M GPU. Both versions bring desktop-class performance to the palm of your hand. Every unit comes standard with 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running at 7,500 megatransfers per second. For storage, you'll get options of 1 TB or 2 TB with blazing fast PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSDs. This means smoother multitasking, faster load times, and plenty of room for your game library. The GPD WIN 4 2025 is powered by a 45.6 2-watt-hour battery. That translates to around 2 hours of heavy gaming, 3 to 6 hours of moderate use, and up to 10 hours of light use. To handle demanding performance, GPD has improved its cooling system with thicker dual heat sinks and a turbo fan, helping keep the device cool during extended sessions. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for faster, more reliable wireless performance. For ports, you'll find USB 4 Type A, USB 3.2 Type C, a microSD slot, and even OcuLink support. That last one allows you to connect an external GPU dock, massively expanding your gaming potential. The GPD WIN 4 2025 ships with Windows 11 Home, giving you full access to PC software, apps, and games. But if you prefer, it also supports Steam.OS, making it a versatile handheld for multiple gaming environments. So that's the GPD WIN 4 2025, a handheld that packs the power of a laptop into a device you can carry anywhere. Would you use this as your main portable gaming system or as a companion to your PC? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Talk for more deep dives into the latest gaming tech.